How to check your real battery health on Android. This tutorial shows you how to run a full battery diagnostic using the Samsung Members app. First, open the Play Store on your Android device and search for Samsung Members. After that, download and install the app if you don't already have it, then open it. From there, if the app asks for any permissions, make sure to allow all of them so the diagnostics can run properly. At this point, make sure you are on the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen. In the next step, look for the News and Tips section, and right next to it, tap on Diagnostics. Following this, tap on Phone Diagnostics to begin the full diagnostic test. Once done, the app will start running through around 20 different checks, including system software, battery status, NFC, SIM, SD card, sensors, and more. From here, keep an eye out for the battery status check, which usually appears as the second option in the list. You do not have to wait for all 20 checks to finish. At this stage, once the battery status check is complete, tap the X to stop the diagnostic and check the result. Finally, if it shows battery life good, then your battery is in great condition and there is nothing to worry about. However, if it shows weak status, it means your battery health has been diminishing over time, and you may want to consider a battery replacement soon. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you check your battery health, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.